Angibhori mina. Angibhori baby girl. Ngiyaqela. Mina nginankinga ngikhuluma nami. Niyekele indoda yami nengane zami. Siyazwana? Please. Nina nangidaka njengale bele lami lingidaka ubusuku nasemini elipapu. Nangidaka. Anginisabi mara vele nizongishaya. Lo nizongishaya. Ngiyasaba. Nizongishaya. Mara ukunisaba nje like yabo anginisabi. Mara vele makumele ningishaye vele mina ngizobaleka. Ngisaba leyo part like nizongishaya. Yeah, nizongishaya but ngiyasaba like ngisaba ukungishaya. Vele manimele ningishaye vele ngizobaleka. Ngizoma futhi ningishaye niboshwe. Ngiyaphapha. Ngiyasaba vele. Mphakathi ngicela ningisize. If anything happens to me, yilaba. I'm a Powerpuff Girls, yilaba. Naphapha yazi. Hayi Dominic ishemkhula sis. Khula. My brains afuna ukusebenza nawo umile ukhule manje. Yile nto wenza ngo2025 uqala kahle. Ngiyasaba vele mina yeyo ngiyifasa ninincindi la ngiyibopha ninincindi. Hayi ungangiphapheli. Wena ungangiphapheli ne. Ungangiphapheli sis. Khulani u2025 manje. Hawu. Hayi yo. Hayibo. Ngibathe indaba incane ningihlolelile. Yi31 sivuka nje sivukela phezukweni. Nangishaya ngiyanibophisa ngisho mara nyaphapha. Futhi nje angisibangani benu. Yena ngisintanga zenu. Nina futhi nina ni rich. So ngicela ningiyeleni ngisaphanda. Mina. Mara nyaphapha. Nginyeke mina shem. Yangikhona. Bengiyathula bese ngilela ngincunjela ngikhona. Yasinda iBBL mangikhuluma kakhulu. Yasinda. Nyaphapha. Mabhetri amaphelile. Sewaphelile amabhetri ukhuluma kakhulu. Papa yini ningakhohlwa ngiyanisaba ningangishayi ningezi nala ngiyenza khona mina. Ngigika khona ngiyanisaba. Nazibole izandla. Bheka incindi yami. Bheka. Incindi yami le iphelele. Angikhona ukuyibopha kahle. Bheka impama yami. Ayivali nisho nelihlo. So ngiyanicela ngiyanisaba. Ngiyanisaba nje ngisaba impama mina. Futhi wena le yakho ile bamba igando eloku igubha imithi. Ngisaba kakhulu ke wena yakho incindi. Impama iwes ngoba ihofe yayibona izandla phezandla zakho sifanele inyawo kumele lenyawo lakho la trend lila fanele izandla zakho exactly njalo wena ungena ku efonini wangena una few weeks uqeda kushada wakhuluma ngami ngo2 ekseni awulali musweni ungicabanga ukuthi umnenya yakukhohlwa chomi ngoba angisakufollow indawo angifollow ku TikTok ngiyakukhohlwa bonke unblockile la during the week ku TikTok mangithi sengikubona kuma feeds wami how chomi ngithi mhlawumbe ufuna ukubuya sibe bangani futhi kanti ufuna ukungicala my friend.
I'll give you that, but brains nothing. You've got nothing, my sweetheart. You are stupid. You are dumber than ever manje. Khona manje uzophula umshado womuntu. Awazi ukuthi wena awutshela ngabantu ukuthi utshala nama MEC wena. Awutshela ngabantu ukuthi wena ubusy Free State nabantu abashadile. Hona nje you are a home wrecker. Imagine you leave your own marriage to go and wreck somebody else because you know why you are broke. So lala nabo baba bemikhaba manje. Ngoba ugijimisa ama V class, something you don't have. Ngangijwayela amasimba sisi. Ungalingi uzungijwayela amasimba. Uzoyenza ngathi uyangazi, awungazi. You don't know me. Awungazi. Uzongitshela the day I'll stop talking about you is the day you stop referencing me. The day you stop saying, I apologize to that other Sangoma. Stop talking about me. That's the day I'll stop talking about you. You want to talk nonsense. You want to bring my child in here. I'll also bring your child in here. I'll also bring the child. And you know what? I want you to take me to court so I can recruit all those children that got raped in Pandeni yako. Mabakutshela besuthi hey, ungayenzi ngathi awiyazi lento. Ungayenzi ngathi uyingane encane. I want to recruit all of them so that we can face you because when una no boso when. Una no boso. My husband is gay. I didn't too slay your shame. But you're sucking on straws, my sweetheart. You're pathetic. You are pathetic. Undlondlo wabantu. And at the very same night you're talking about is the night bakufaka iminwe wena. Babhizi bakufaka iminwe ingane yakamselegu. I don't know his name. Abhizi akufaka iminwe. You forgot. Sikubhekelele. Did you forget that? Did you forget? And I'm actually surprised now you're telling people you don't drink. You were drinking that night. Every time I've been with you, you've been drinking. Or maybe you stopped drinking. You know, congratulations for you. Congratulations to you. But at the end of the day, don't talk shit. Do not talk shit. Because as much as you want to prove yourself, I will prove myself again. And I will not stop. I will not stop. If it means that it needs to get to a point where I need to face you so you can say all this shit to my face, then it will happen. It will definitely happen. Nonsense. Oh, shame. Oh, shame. Kute maniginiki. Asibone ukuthi kuyophelela lapho ungitshayela kabi wena. Ungishayela and angikusabi sisi, angikusabi. Ngayonke into enginayo angikusabi mina. Ucala umuntu wrong manje. Uzokhuluma amasimba sihlangane ngawe. Number 1, I was Dominic's friend way before you invited Dominic to your stupid podcast that started Kalibitso Laka in the first place. Dominic came to my wedding. Okay? Cucumber pods came to my wedding. You also told me to hlanganisa uwo. Ungazositshayela kabi wena. Uyini? What were you? Ungitshayela kabi. Mason, wait, I'm busy. I don't want you to hear the things that I'm going to say now. Please go out, my baby. Please, I'm going to see you just now. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be... No, I don't... baby? Come here. Okay, come. Come quickly. Come quickly. Kissy. I love you. Go away.
I'm not gonna go home.
We're going tomorrow. I'm coming that side. I just want to deal with some nonsense. I want to deal with some nonsense. Untrailer hampi. Imagine. Imoto zami zingenaphi manje. Imoto zami zingenaphi. Sasebenza thina. Asikhuluma manga. From day 1, you were renting in Sandton. You lied to me. You said you bought the house. And you lied to people saying that when regular property go DJs when you are being paid to promote that shit. Like now you are lying about some club when you know they're using your name to market that place. Why ungasukashiwe? Yeah, at least ngabo uzamile wa renta pleke eo. So don't try la hambi wena, try la masip. If it means fanele ngihlangane nawe ngizokutshela mina ngizokutshela le nonsense ebusweni bakho, I will definitely do that. Uhlongixela hambi yo mudimu hey akaqale ngama rape cases amlandelayo aqale nama cases wakhe ase THO lawa amlandelayo. I-THO fails a lot of amatwasa i-THO they fail a lot of them ngoba ama cases kaSkhotheni maningi angaka amakhisi kaSkhotheni. Even the rape cases akhona akumele. Why don't you go and concentrate on that? Ungitshayela amasimba. Talk about me again. I will not respond. I will find you and I will come and I will tell you this to your face. I will tell you this to your face. I will find you. And when I saw DJ DJ umkhulu ngizokuthola. Wena obsession ke mau sangixayela hambi. Obsession ke mau. Nonsense. You want to talk about my family? I come from a rich family, and so what? Is it my problem that you are not sent to good schools? Is it my problem that your parents were not working hard to give you the education that I got? Is it my problem? Huh? You're going to talk about, yes, I went to go do au pairing. Do you think when you go to America, there are no opportunities for you to study? You are so slow, you are thick, you've got a brain of a peanut. Here on Triela, a brain of a peanut. Do you think when I was in America, I did not explore, go to school or study? Yeah? Even now, I can't even find the pictures that I had on Facebook because of whatever reason. I don't need to explain myself to you. I don't really need to explain myself to you. So at the end of the day, ungangitshwayeli amasimba. I can come and I will speak your language very fast. Very, very fast. Continue sibona ukuthi la masimba yophelelaphi. Angisintanga yakho futhi. Uright ma uzokhuluma ukuthi angisintanga yakho. You're 33 years old, I'm 38. Angazuma lokuthi ugogo wama 2K unabantwana bangaka uba uvula imilenze usase yingane. Yini abakufundisanga wena? abakufundisanga bowuvula imilenze yakho unabantwana abangaka inzalo engaka unga-understand ukuthi uyicala unangakhi ungalinga ungijwayele kabi.